just holding himself with one hand. Once everything's clear, he'll check down below, hold himself steady with one hand, release the brake, and when he's ready, he'll look down and he'll just descend.
I'm Michael Biddle. I'm the Managing Director for Capital Safety Australia and New Zealand. Capital Safety is the world's largest designer and manufacturer of industrial height safety equipment, confined space access and rescue equipment. And I guess we've been in the market for 50 to 60 years and we're certainly Australia's biggest player as well as the world's biggest player in that particular industry. This particular product is one of the new innovations that we're launching at the show. It's called the Rollgliss R520 Emergency Rescue Descender. It's unique in its design. It's the only conventional twin brake rescue descender that exists in industry. And that's obviously its unique feature and why we've had tremendous interest from industry generally. So as a rescue descender, it's typically used in the utilities markets, in the wind energy industry and other industrial applications where there might be an emergency, someone needs to escape very quickly, and they would simply connect themselves onto this device via their safety harness and lower themselves to the ground in an automatic descent process. So the advantage of this product over a lot of traditional devices is that it has a twin brake. It effectively has an emergency backup braking system, whereas pretty much every other descent system is a single braking system. If there is a failure in that, then there is no secondary or backup device. Another product that we're showing at the show is called an Ultra-Lok RSQ block. This again is a unique device to industry. It's the first fall arrest block that actually has both the fall arrest capacity as well as being an emergency rescue descent device. So the way in which the device works is that if you actually fall, you're attached to it, it will actually automatically defend or stop or impede your fall to the ground. There is two different settings. The first setting is in the red here, and basically what that will do is if you fall, it will actually stop your fall. Okay? What you can then do is engage this particular device, turning it across to the green section, and then allowing the person to be lowered to the ground to safety. Okay? Or you can just simply leave it in this particular setting, locks you off, and then lowers you gently to ground. Okay? So it's a unique device. It's one that's received very well by industry. We're starting to get a lot of application and interest in the mining industry, other industrial applications. It's a great product, a real world beater.
So Matt's up the top. He's got the R500 rescue device. We use that a lot in wind turbines and tower cranes for rescue. It's an automatic descent device. It's got a friction brake inside it. He's connected up. What he'll do now is lock it off through the pigtail and the brake, and he'll put his weight on it, and he can sit there quite comfortably just holding himself with one hand. Once everything's clear, he'll check down below, hold himself steady with one hand, release the brake, and when he's ready, he'll look down and he'll just descend. Automatic descent, no hands. On his way down, it will lower down at about 1.4 metres per second. Get down to the bottom, and it's got a double-ended rope on it, so that'll travel back up to the top, ready for the next guy, and then the next guy can just lower down as well. So rescue your multiple people, you can just, like a seesaw effect, keep rescuing.